You will not believe the crazy apocalyptic scenery that sits in this New Jersey junkyard, and it even has a really cool connection to Hollywood. This is Wade, Salvage, and Atco, a 12-acre dystopian wonderland run in part by this guy, Gregory Sharp, who is the nephew of owner Andrew Wade. These guys have amassed an incredible collection of scraps over several decades, which range from the usual suspects like old motorcycles to decommissioned aircraft, some of which look like plane crash scenes. You'll also spot random objects like jet skis, a rusted casket, and a bathtub, but also this huge satellite dish and tons of planes on top of buses. I spent about 2 hours here, and I still feel like I didn't even see half of the whole collection. Alright, so about that connection to Hollywood though. Here are the remains of a tunnel from the new series Fallout on Prime Video, and this helicopter was used in The Walking Dead. Here is a list of other productions you've probably seen or at least heard of. Oh, and another fun fact, this train allegedly towed the Hindenburg. The best part about all this though is that you can take a tour of the junkyard, and it's led by photographer Richard Lewis. Be sure to screenshot this contact info to learn more and book a tour. I promise it is absolutely worth it. Do you know of any other quirky places like this? Let me know in the comments.